I feel my quality of life is far better than I ever imagined. I have always been an extremely active person, both prior to children and with children. Because I have two boys, I have been used to getting out there and just being involved and active with them. We were at a trampoline park, and I hopped from one small trampoline to the next, and I landed on metal in between the two trampolines and shattered my ankle.
This bone's called the fibula, she broke that. This bone's called the tibia, and she broke the inside of that, and it's in pieces, and it's out of place. Surgeries for the foot and ankle are pretty common, and when someone's foot's not working very well, their life is very affected by that. It's a little step in and out, isn't it? She had I call a 10 out of 10 type fracture of her, not only her ankle, but of the bones of the back part of the foot, which got very complicated when it came time to fix it.
It was shattered in 4 places, and so much so that my understanding was there would be some surgeons who would not even attempt to touch it because it was that involved.
Very satisfying to say, hey, this is something that only a few people around could probably do. Very nervous based on how severe it was, but at the same time, things went really well at the surgery. She's done exceptionally well. Very satisfying.
I get up and I work out every morning. I go to work and usually wear high heels during the day, and I'm able to keep up with my boys. We even did a ski vacation last spring, and I was able to go skiing with my family, which was something I was scared I would never be able to do again.